Hit 'em Up has some amazing ways to create groups that allow you to do some pretty cool and unique things. So we already know how to create a group the classic way by picking a couple contacts from this list. But you might have noticed these options at the top, including Select All, which actually selects everybody in the list. So this will select everybody who's currently filtered at the moment. Right now I have 9,519 people, but if you filter for, let's say, just people who have the first name Abby, so these are those people, or have ABBY in there, I can select all, and that will pick just the 17 people right there. So that's the Select All button. The Select All button lets you quickly select the current search term in the search field. So that's one of the advanced features of Hit 'em Up group creation. But there's also a couple others, including link groups and smart selectors, and we're going to go over that now. So let's go ahead and create this group, and we'll call this selection right now 12th grade student. Awesome. Click create. Nothing too special here yet. We have a list of a couple people, and what we're going to do next is take groups I've already created, including 9th grade, 10th grade, and 11th grade, and the 12th grade group, and combine them into a new group. So a lot of folks ask us, well, how do you copy an existing group to create a new group based on it? But actually, there's a better way than copying a group. What we're going to do is link a group. So let's say I want to create a whole high school group that includes every class between 9th and 12th grade. Well, using the link groups feature, I can select the 9th grade students, the 10th grade students, the 11th grade students, and the 12th grade students right here, and link them all. So what that will do is select everybody who is currently in any of those other groups, all 23 of those students. So what's really cool about that is when I click next, and we'll call this all high school students, or all students for short, and tap create, if I go to view list, I have a list of everybody who's in 9th through 12th grade. So let's do something interesting here and go back to our 9th grade group. And let's add somebody with letter Z so we can very easily see. Let's add Zamora to 9th grade. Now, when I hit save, we'll see that Zamora is now in the 9th grade students group, but she's also going to be in our all students group. Right here at the bottom, Zamora is right here. So that's pretty cool. Link groups allow you to dynamically update any group which is being linked in. You can always modify the groups which are being linked to the existing group right here by tapping link groups and putting the little chain icon next to the group you want to link. One last thing to note is that even though we've linked all these people into this group, if you really want to exclude a certain person who's being linked into the group, you can just tap them and uncheck them, or manually force them into the group by tapping again. So again, you can tap through where it goes to the linked mode, tap again to completely remove them, and if you tap save, Abby Boone will no longer be in this group. Or if you tap Abby again, you can force her into the group even if we remove the link group which added her. So there's 3 states to the check mark here, and the default is just to keep them linked in when you use the linked mode. Enjoy link groups and stay tuned for the other cool features available in Hit 'em Up Standard, like link groups such as smart selectors, a really cool way to also include people in based on other criteria. Check out our tutorials in the My Hit 'em Up Learn and Get Help section with a little picture of a school cap.